your host, Sherlyn S. Bersano. On this episode, we're gonna interview the school head of Guang Elementary School. Please welcome Sir James. Good day, sir. It's my pleasure to have this opportunity to interview you personally. So I have 3 questions. You can answer it in English or in vernacular way. Can you tell us, sir, at least one school policy that you formulated under your leadership?
Every Wednesday, ang mga bata, pasuoton nyo lang PE uniform. Murag na o na namin yung Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Compulsory dito sila nga mag-school uniform. I-implement ko na mo nga every quarter ba natay periodical test. Mag-voluntaryo, and after sa voluntaryo, meeting, the releasing of cards.
Why was that policy formulated?
So, ang kuan gyud ang PE uniform, bali, mo na gitaw, wash day. Kaya dili man tanan po mga bata nga kay ilang mga school uniform nga na tagduha, tulo, ang uban, magkasagaran isa ra. Mo na nga, kuan nila nga, malabahan nila ini ka Martes sa gabi or Merkulis, pero masuot ako nila ini.
How was it formulated? Is it formulated with the representatives from the school and community? Why or why not?
Before na mo na-implement ng mag-PE uniform, sa mga previous years, Jod, usas mga reklamo sa mga parents nga, yung kanang naglago ang mga bata, kay di ba po naman po yung mga bata, magduwa man dyan na mahugaw ilang sinina, ilang uniform. Ngunya, ang uban, dili na maka-uniform, kay bulingot, mo na nga magsuot sila silang mga casual ng mga sinina. Ngunya, mapuan man gud ang mga ginikanan, pagka ora hinon og gas na hinon og sinina, kay ang uban mga bata dili musuot og dili bag-o, ana ang uban mo dili musuot kay gisik-gisik no ilang sinina, mo to nga nigi-raise na sa during PT meeting. Anihanyo sila nga unsay angay buhaton nga murag ma-minimize ang pagsuot og mga casual dress. Desisyonan sa mga parents na how about kung Wednesday magkuha na naman og PE uniform na mapoy subject sa elementary nga na ay MAPE.
Thank you, Sir James, for your time and effort in answering my questions. So now, let us have a self-talk. I will be answering the questions that is relevant in our topic. First question is, if I were to formulate a policy on a food item sold at the cooperative store of my school, which would I do as a school head and why? As a school head, I would implement a policy to sell only nutritious and balanced food items. This policy aligns with the school's commitment to fostering a healthy learning environment. The second question is, present any policy of DepEd to address pandemic in teaching learning of learners. The Department of Education implemented the Basic Education Learning Continuity Plan or BELCP during the COVID-19 pandemic. This plan, outlined in DepEd Order Number 012 Series of 2020, ensures the continuity of education through various learning delivery modalities such as online, modular, and TV or radio-based instructions. It is supported by Republic Act Number 10533. This act emphasizes the importance of providing quality education despite of challenges. And that's all. Thank you.